What up, YouTube viewers, and welcome to JesusCookz here on Jesus Straws. Yeah, that's right. We're cooking on. Well, I knew that wasn't gonna stay up there. But anyways, yeah, this is cooking in a drawing channel. So you no longer have to be a starving artist. You actually have something to eat. And what better way to celebrate Cinco de Mayo than making the first video of me cooking, because I love to cook. It's always been a passion of mine, so I've always wanted to make videos, and here we are on the first video. I'm super excited. So today I'm gonna make one of my favorites. I eat this about 5 days a week for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's perfect for either occasion, and it's pretty Mexican occasions. If you haven't heard of them, it's chilaquiles. Love chilaquiles, basically just fried tortillas with cheese, but I like to add beans, and it's gonna be super fire. It's gonna be super good. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys make this recipe sometime, and it's super easy. So if you like what you see and whatnot, let's subscribe. Let me show you guys what we actually need. Alright guys, so what we're gonna need a cutting board to cut things up. We're gonna need a knife, obviously. You can use vegetable oil, whatever kind of oil you like to use, but personally I love olive oil. This gives everything better flavor. We're gonna need some sour cream. We're gonna need an avocado. We're gonna need some tomate, cebolla, some queso if you're choosing. I'm using mozzarella right now because I have so much of it. And some classic corn tortillas. And like I said, you can use whatever you want. I usually use homemade refried beans. I just buy like the 8-pound dry ass beans, and I leave them to boil for a couple hours, like 3. Add some salt, and you pretty much got beans for freaking weeks and months, bro. You can save so much money if you just make the beans yourself and don't buy that canned shit. And personally, I don't really like that canned shit. Alright, so let's get started on this. Alright guys, so we got our little pan right here. Turn on this front one. We're actually gonna turn this up to probably medium. So there we got our pan nice, getting warm. Alright, the next we're gonna get our oil, using olive oil. And whenever it comes to this stuff, I don't have measuring cups or anything. I kind of just eyeball everything. I kind of just know from cooking, kind of just like that. I don't even know how much that is, but this is gonna be 4 tortillas. I'm gonna put 4. You can put however many you want, and you can always put more oil later. So start small and then add some later, because you don't want super oily stuff and waste all your oil. So we're gonna do 4 tortillas because I'm feeling extra hungry today. So 4 tortillas. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, I'm gonna straight up make this cooking series just like some Dora shit, where I'm just showing you guys Spanish words or speaking more Spanglish than when I do in my videos de dibujando, drawing. Dibujando. No, just kidding, that's gonna get annoying real quick, because Dora always got annoying. But anyways, I'm gonna speed this process up real quick. Alright guys, so it's actually a pretty decent amount of tortillas, and we're gonna add pinto beans later, so I'm just gonna add a little more oil, not too much. Just so I make sure everything is going to be nice and ready to go. I'm actually going to turn the stove top up a little bit, turn it up to 6, and let that cook for a little bit. Alright guys, so that's starting to sizzle over there. You guys can hear that. We're actually going to cut up some ingredients right now real quick over here. So, first, and I also forgot to mention, we're going to use some salsa verde, homemade. I'm going to make another video of me showing you how to make this, and with another recipe, but we're gonna start off with this aguacate. And if you guys don't know, I heard some dumb motherfuckers be cutting themselves cutting these. And let me just show you guys how easy it is to cut an avocado. So, just go down the middle, slice till you hit the seed, and then you just go all the way around. And look, there you go. No hands were cut off in the process. Perfect slice. Look at that. Fresh. Looks so good. Alright, next we're gonna cut this onion right here. I'm gonna cut off this onion's booty. And I like a lot of onions, so we gonna cut a decent amount. Whoop, onion down. So that's pretty much all we actually got cut. Let's actually check up on the tortillas. As you guys can see, the tortillas are already getting pretty crispy, so we're gonna flip these bad boys over. I'm gonna turn it down to medium real quick. And I like them pretty crispy, so it's okay how they look right now. We're just gonna turn these. Oh, look at that crisp, son. Come on, man, turn. And once we turn all of them, we are going to let them chill for a couple minutes until we feel crispy on that side too. Alright, so tortillas be looking extra good. Now that they're kind of crispy on both sides, we're going to turn it down probably to like 2 for probably like 5 minutes, because we're going to throw in the pinto beans, which are actually right over here, fresh out the olla. And you know, if you put it in, throw them in when it's oil's super hot, you're just gonna splash that be out everywhere, and it's not gonna be fun. I actually had to clean up this dirty ass stove top before I filmed this video. But yeah, we're just gonna let this chill, cool down just a little bit. Like I said, turn it down to maybe 2, 1.5 for like 5 minutes. Tortillas are already looking as crispy as I want them to be, so we're just gonna let these chill for a little bit longer. Alright, our tortillas are ready. It doesn't seem to be too hot right now. So, next, we get our frijoles, fresh frijoles. We're just gonna plop them in there. Oh man, this is all depending on how hungry you are at this point. So that's it. Alright, then next we got our salsita verde. Oh yeah, we're gonna throw that bad boy. Smother these frijoles in this. I'm talking about drowning these frijoles in this sauce, man. Just kidding, I still want some salsa for another day. So then, after that, we're gonna crush these beans, man. Crush them, man. Like, really crush them. I don't want to be making a mess, so we gotta calm down a little bit. Alright, now we can actually start turning it up a little bit now that the beans are all settled in. Turn it up to like 4. Alright, we're gonna let that chill, and just for good luck, you know, throw in another, because you know it is Cinco de Mayo. Alright, so we're gonna let that chill for like another 5 minutes at 4. Alright guys, it's time for food to be consumed, or actually put together. Alright, so we're just gonna throw this all on the plate. So good, oh my god. Alright, so we got that. Next, we're gonna throw all in the ingredients. So here we got queso, the mozzarella cheese, sprinkle that on top. Oh yeah. Sprinkle that. Now we're gonna sprinkle in the onions and all this other stuff. Just gonna throw it all in there. Yeah, this is a big ass plate, I know. Get a napkin real quick. Here we got the sour cream, but I put it in a little Ziploc bag, you know, do some baker shit. And just so it looks a little bit more presentable. We're just gonna douse it. Damn, I should have put some more, but it's okay. Good enough for me. And then slices of avocado. Just throw that bad boy on there. You can like smush it up or however you want to do it, but I just like having big chunks of it. It's probably about half of the avocado. Oh yeah. Time we get a close up of this bad boy right here. Oh my god, guys, check it out, check it out, check it out. Alright, so we're gonna take this over to the table real quick. As soon as I take a thumbnail picture of this, we're gonna eat. Alright guys, so here we are on the dinner table, about to try this food. Oh my god, I'm so ready. Oh man, first bite, here we go. Man, it's so fire. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, something different, you know. Hopefully you guys try this recipe one day because it's amazing. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm about to devour this plate. Don't forget to subscribe, like for more art / cooking and whatnot. Until next time, y'all take it easy, keep it trill, stay safe. Peace and love.